how to get Spotify Premium on your PC. So let's get started. First thing first, go to the official Spotify website using your web browser on your PC or mobile device. You can see the Spotify Premium option available there. Simply tap on it. If you are new to Spotify, you will need to sign up for an account. If you already have a Spotify account, then log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the premium section of the website. Here you'll find various subscription plans available. Choose the premium plan that best suits your needs. After selecting your desired plan, you will need to enter your payment information to complete the subscription process. Spotify accepts various payment methods, including credit card, debit cards, and PayPal. Review the details of your subscription, including the price and billing frequency. Once you are satisfied, confirm your subscription to the Spotify Premium. And once subscribed, you'll have access to all the features of Spotify Premium. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.